How do you get anyone to not only like you, but more importantly, to trust you?
The best way to get somebody to like and trust you is to deliver an insight that is helpful to them, whether they do business with you or not. There's something that every real estate agent's having to deal with right now. Nobody's talking about it. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. There's something that every CFO is facing right now as we enter into summer or whatever the season is. Have an insight. Let them know that you know what's going on in the world. Explain to them how this problem is affecting them in their life or them in their career. Most people never give good information like that to buyers. They only give them a sales pitch. And if you can deliver an insight that's helpful to them, whether they do business with you or not, like, wow, I didn't even realize this problem is costing me this much, they will trust you, they will like you, they will listen to you, and most likely they'll buy from you.